Okay, so the next problem in the lead code we are solving is product of array except self. Okay, so what does it mean is, so basically here we got the list of numbers and we need to take a let's say that we need to generate a new array. Okay, such that for each of these element, right, we need to take a product of the other elements that are present in the array. Okay, we should not be picking the same element, we should be taking product of other elements. So what does it mean is, so let's say if I take an example of 1 2 3 and 4, right, 1 2 and 3 and 4, and I am going to generate a new array based on this guy. Okay, so for this index, whatever, let's say that I'm considering this as an index now, and I'm going to take a product of the elements that are present to the right and the elements that are present to the left. Okay, what will be 1 into 4 3 is 12, right? The whatever the answer that comes, that will be, I will be writing here. We should not be considering the same element or the self element. So that's what this problem about. Okay, so now coming to the implementation, right, we can achieve this. Okay, there are multiple ways, or we can think of, right, we can just multiply it all together and divide by the current element, we'll be getting that answer, right? So but there are some conditions. Okay, so for that, so basically like I mean it will be like we need to handle that overflow thing and we need to take care of that, but there are some edge conditions that will not work out here. Okay, so what we can simply do here is, as we saw here, as we just saw that in that example, right, where the list is here, right, the element is here, and what did we do? We took the left product and we took the right product, correct? And ultimately, like what we did, we took the product of it to get the final one, right? So that's what we are going to do here as well. Okay, so what we'll do is, in the first iteration we'll generate a left array. Okay, left product array. In the left product array, so what does it will do is, it will have all the left product of individual elements. So for example, for 1, what is the left product? Left product will be 1 only. Okay, and for 2, it will be, what is the element to the left? That will be 1. And next for 3, what are the left product? 2 into 1, so it will be 2. And for 4, it will be 3 into 2 into 1, so it will be 6, right? This is the left product array. And next, similarly, what we'll do is, we'll calculate the right product array. Okay, so for now, for right, what is the right product for 4? There is nothing to the right, so we'll take it as 1. And for 3, it is 4, right? 4 will be answer. And next here for 2, it is 4 into 3, the right elements I am taking. Okay, 4 3 is 12. And similarly, and ultimately, what is the first element? 1. And we need to take all the right product of all the elements, right? 4 into 3 into 4 3 is 12, 12 into 2 24, right? Actually this will be our right array. Okay, these are the left product elements and these are the right product elements. And to get the final answer, or what we can do is, we can take the product, actually we can take the product of these two. Okay, so if you take it here, right, 24, or this will be the 12, and this will be 4 to the 8, and this will be the 6. Okay, if you check the answer, right, so where it is 24 12 8 6, so this is our answer. Okay, so basically and actually one more thing is, yeah, I mean, you don't have to literally every time iterate the loop to calculate. Okay, like for each of the element, you can just rely on the previous element and this element to get our answer. So what I mean is, so let's say that if you want to calculate this product, okay, so you can already calculated value is 4, you can pick that. Okay, and what is the element that is present in the nums array? Okay, so when you start coding, right, it will be clear. Okay, so that is it actually. And what I explained is, we are calculating the left product and right product, right? And we are iterating, kind of like, I mean, we are creating the two array and we are increasing the time memory complexity for a problem. To simplify it, I will reduce it to one array. Okay, so what we are currently doing here is, the approach will be the same. Okay, we'll be calculating the left product array, like whatever we discussed so far, right? Whatever the value that was calculated previously and what is the previous number, we can just multiply it to get the left production, right, left product value. So we'll be getting the left product value here first, so that will be, this will be our left value. And similarly, we'll be having our right product value. And as we keep on calculating the right product value, we'll just product it with the we'll multiply with the left values and get us the result. Okay, so we are not actually separately generating the left and right values, we are together, like, I mean, in this array it consists of the left prod values. And as we calculate the result, we calculate the right prod and we'll simply multiply it and get us the result. This is it. Thanks.